Welcome back, everybody. Just a short one here. If you recall, when I was cleaning up this piece of quarter sawn beech, I detected a wormhole here on what's going to be the sole, because that's the sapwood side of the tree. So I got to thinking, being that this is so flat, I could just use the hardwood, the heartwood side on the bottom, but I also got to thinking that I could laminate something on here, something a little harder, something of a different color. So I got to thinking, what do I have that's harder than beech? Technically speaking, white hard maple is harder than beech. Hickory is harder than beech, but the only piece of hickory I have handy, and I don't know if I have another piece outside, seems a little bit lighter weight. Hickory can vary from almost soft to hard, to like rock. But there's two other woods, one of which doesn't grow here, but this grows here. You know what that is? That, my friends, is black locust. And it's almost in the proper grain orientation. So this is the sapwood side. This is the heartwood side. And since I'm only putting a thin layer on the bottom of the plane, I can actually resaw this and get enough material out for multiple planes. So from a quality standpoint, there's a little pin knot there. There's wane there, so this corner is useless. There is a knot here and here and here and here, but they're not knots so much as they are. See, this is the heartwood side. You can see they're sort of all grown in. So it won't be a problem. It's not going to cause trouble. And this has been around a while. Let us see. First, we look at the chart. Do they even have it on here? No. Nothing under B for black locust. Nothing under L for locust. So let's just go they have acacia on here, which is similar, and that's 63 setting. I'm going to go with that. 62 would be maple or beech, so that would be in that same realm. Let's go to 63. .3%, 6.9%, 7.3%. So this must have been standing up this way. The cooler section by the floor is always going to be higher moisture. I think I've talked about that in the past. If we set it to 62, .8. It's a little bit higher. 7.6, 7.9, and this Beech is reading 10.5, 10.4, 10.4. So if I place these two in the same place, like up on top of my tool rack, and forget about them for a while, this one may come up in moisture, this one may come down in moisture until such time as they are in equilibrium and I can glue this to this. And like I said, the grain structure is really nice. And it's running out from here that way. The most even texture is from here back. So that would be good. You take a section right out of there. That would leave me, either I cut a long ripping first and then do the cross cut, or versa versa. I'd like to be actually right about here. Yeah, works out perfect. So that's going to be for the plain build. So there you go, everybody. Just a short one, because I just found this over there and I wanted to mention what I'm planning to do. So let me know how you like the new videos. I really wish I could set up 2 or 3 cameras and have the little remotes to where, oh, let's look at camera number 1 now. No, hey, Bill, come in with camera number. I'm not that technological. I have to do a little bit more to improve the lighting, but I don't want lots of glare. Like, subscribe, and share. Walter out.